Yes, sir. All right. Tapping into this hourly gap.
Apple big pop out of the gate. Going above yesterday's high into the gap. Calls going back into the money. Nice.
God, Apple 320. MNQ long ladder, 15-minute CBC.
All right. I still think silver's a good swing here for options. 60 to 64. Daily moving average at 64. 45. You're currently right above this consolidation.
45-point gain. MNQ ladder sold half.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, MNQ getting a little sticky. Little pop pop.
Yeah, seeing strength into this hourly gap. So again, the way I'm looking, Tuesday.
100 initial. Sorry, guys. Down to the
good.
runners.
I know. You were always interrupting me.
That's a nice pop on MNQ right there.
Just got into MRVL next month's 250 calls.
Yes, dude, that's on my watch list this morning.
We favor the trades around.
I was actually thinking about buying some too. As crazy as you say that.
I love MRVL for a call swing.
Yeah, I saw some unusual flow from my scanner today. Plus, the chart looks nice.
The next $1 trillion company, quote unquote.
You shorted Moderna? Oh, is mRNA just a short now all the way up here? Are the puts like stupid? Because I'd be interested in taking a little FAFO on it.
Yeah, look at that premium.
I mean, yeah.
So on the August 21st puts, if I was to go for that 141 put, which is pretty damn close, the IV is at 275%.
No, I'm looking at 918.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
Apple has 9% average daily volume already. First alert of the day. The 320 calls for tomorrow coming in on it. Big volume on the September 330 calls, which I'm in already 1,200 traded.
I could fuck around with the 130 puts for tomorrow, but I feel like that's extra crazy.
I would love if this is just like freaking accumulation Tuesday, Wednesday, manipulate all those lows of that shitty range we've been trading in and then move higher into those 4-hour gaps I still have. We never tapped into previous day highs. We never tapped into yet. That would be really sexy.
There it is, Apple over 320. Ugh.
It's just can bulls, dude.
I mean, every mag right now is red except for Apple. NVIDIA is barely green.
Was that Minxie down there?
Tesla, Google, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, all these open up red.
Wait.
Apple's second alert, the 325 calls for tomorrow now.
Oh.
Whoever's behind the ETF DB account, can you guys accept co-host, please? So I can get Minxie up.
I mean, Apple has a gap to 330, and then there's a small one to like 337.50.
Watch gold 3-minute EMAs. It's a battle between the 3-minute and 15-minute EMAs here. Longs want VWAP.
in a flash, that candle was
We
back to
are
high of day.
pumping.
Oh
There's
my
Nixie.
god.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Dude, I'm not going to get my long entry.
Ladder MNQ 3-minute CBC long.
We're up like $5 above it now.
Semis are leading. Semis are leading this market higher right now.
I don't mind buying a long higher on this lower time frame because of how much room we have on a bigger time frame.
Yeah.
Gold new highs here just ripped over 3 minutes. EMA bounce. They want VWAP London Orb high 551.
SPY breaking base over 768. I'll look to go long. I wanted to long it at 763.50 and Q's at 708.50, but we did not make that.
If we hold 435, I'm gonna take longs.
Ooh. Minxie going long.
Watch the base on 20s. We'll see 70s, 80s. Then bill breaker 500. But high risk. Just big green candles out of the gate.
You see these moves on Hood and Coin, giving it all back. Hood on red, Bitcoin coming down. Interesting market.
Who was saying, I forgot, they were like, what do they say? To avoid Hood yesterday. It was like someone big.
Some dude
Here we go.
on
Here's 70s, 80s, baby.
Holy candle.
It's not 6 up goes.
I think it was Tom.
Didn't get it yet.
What?
I think Tom Lee was saying avoid Hood.
I got
Yeah, someone.
So SPX had that gap to fill downside yesterday. It actually gapped down and opened up underneath of the gap and created a gap upside. So now you have
Silver just
this
broke
as
pre-market
gap
high.
too.
Silver's exploding higher.
Silver.
See if it stops me out. It's 2 weeks.
That's your daily 21 on QQQ back test right here. SPY was almost at that 768 area. It's resistance. I kind of want to take mRNA 918 puts for like a FAFO.
Moderna, the 149 calls for tomorrow, Lord.
Don't say that because I'm taking puts.
Silver 1 month
Sure.
high. Played a 64.45 on the 200-day moving average.
No, dude, even the 918 puts, the IV on them is still 125, 130%. It's insane. That is nuts.
I don't like the way it's kind of holding here. It's gotta push.
My Hood cash secured puts are up 30%. Yeah. I like the way. I like the way. Meta just flipped green briefly.
Gosh, they're absorbing a lot here. I don't like it. Too much absorption.
probably gonna wait till
Stop
at least
it out.
close to 10.
By the way, CBRS 260 calls were open yesterday at the close. It was $3.1 million at the ask and above the ask. It is an opening trade. The open interest shows that today. So I'm looking actually at CBRS 260 calls for September 18th. Probably going to follow one or two. I'm going to check the chart now.
I see sizable sweep on the CBRS 260 calls, 918 expiration.
Yeah, but definitely. I mean, it was bought at ask and above ask. And I just looked at the OI from yesterday to today, and it did increase of that amount. So There was also just another buy right now, apparently. Ronnie,
Yo,
your app is getting a lot of December 2028 leaps right now.
bro, app's gonna cook, man. Like, this is a no-brainer investment. Like, if you want to double your money, and you know, I'm not gonna say that.
Don't worry, you can say it to me. You can say it to me. It's okay.
You're telling me, you're telling me to full board. That's what you're saying.
NQ swept the bill. We need VWAP here, 500. Problem is, ES already swept VWAP and it's 20 EMA.
BG's looking good. Calls. Plenty of time on these for a swing. But popping up previous day high. This name is in a weekly squeeze. To keep it on watch, I do have a open position on this one.
I'll be honest. I do like CBRS here, hitting right into the 50 SMA. We had a wick yesterday. We got that flow. I'm going to grab a position here on those 260s for September 18th.
We're seeing big moves this morning in energy names. Oxy is screaming it, and then the Potash names, Moss and CF, are really strong. Huge moves on these. Haven't seen those names in a while.
So CBRS, 260 calls, 918.
Nick, did you get into silver calls earlier this week?
No, the ones that you told me,
Yeah,
I did not.
up 33%.
Go, Meta, go, you biatch.
Yeah, I jumped in those metal ones for you, with you. Those calls.
Yeah, they're doing pretty decent. I mean, they were up a lot more yesterday. Like barely green today, right now.
Yeah. It's sitting right at the bottom of its wedge. Like, if it breaks down that wedge on like the weekly, it's gonna get ugly.
Foogly.
Ooh, no, on the monthly, sorry. Shit. Real oogly. Let's see, 300s. Netflix is such a beast, dude.
Oh,
Every day.
I'm loaded.
Me too.
I'm literally loaded on Netflix.
Dude, I'm up a smooth like 16% on Coport. Car auctions, let's get it. I'll trade anything, I don't care.
These longs better work out, guys.
They will, Minxie, don't worry.
I mean, I had to adjust my
I'm
stop
worried.
loss.
I'm worried for you, but they'll play out.
Yeah, I think
Don't
so
worry,
too.
I got
My
your back,
stop loss
Stop.
is like tight. Stop me out, and I'm gonna. Yep, there's the stop.
Nick, on Zeta, there's a giant put wall at 28, and it keeps coming
Yeah, it
to
just
that area
bounced.
and just ripping off. It just did it again. I was literally looking at it. I'm like, I'm going to take this trade. And then I was a little, and I didn't.
Yeah.
It literally ripped like 2% off it.
Just had a nice bounce there. I saw that.
It's just cranking right between 20 and 30 consistently. Honestly, just play it till it doesn't work anymore.
Okay, QQQ rejected the volt there at 7:15.
Got the daily 21 right there as well.
21.
Shinolaiki mRNA, new low of day. Kind of. Not really. Like pennies. Just chilling at the low. 140 puts are coming in though for 1016. Urgent repeater on kitty cat stock, PURR.
Kitty cat stuck.
Per.
The big purr.
$10 calls for November 20th, 2026. Urgent repeated flow. There has been about 300 at the bid, but about 700,000 at the ask. All of these are unusual flow for the last 10 minutes.
SPX volt is 77.20.
IWM is pinned between this 300 and 299. It can break and base over 300. It looks good. Your calls opened up above your puts. Your puts have been increasing for the last 5 minutes up here in this area.
Just took some SMDQ here. See if we can get a sell off on SanDisk.
Jesus, I need to back up.
I got
there
short.
in Q.
390s risking the highs, looking for 240 lows.
QQQ smacked at the daily 21.
Yeah,
I have a zone right here on SPY. This is where we based at on Tuesday session. And then we obviously knifed through it for the first time pre-market. This is the first time back testing that area. Zone starts at 767.23 and then kind of goes up near previous day low here. That's 768. That's the only other long I can take is if we break and base above that and market still remains strong. I like that for longs.
Long them in Q, 3-minute EMA.
Or I need to get a little dippy dip. Q's is holding previous day low right now. Kind of like IWM.
Oil just rejected a good short area. Is that rye? What's up, rye? You leave for one day, bro, and Walmart's cooked. What the hell? What the hell?
Yeah, what'd you do?
Wow. Tempest.
I have a drive away from the market for a couple of hours. Like you guys just
What I do, that's your stock. I didn't do shit.
I can't be around to babysit you guys. Just start running stuff.
Tempest AI is ripping TEM.
Mink's probably bought calls on it.
I'm looking to make 150 points on the short. Risking 69 points, but that risk is about to get pulled back even more right now.
That was a huge area we just bounced off of.
Yeah, I feel a lot better about
Cheers.
longs if we run that sell side from pre-market, that 836 time low.
I want that daily 50 to hit on Qs, Ryan.
It got close this morning in pre-market. It got close.
Oh, the EMA?
Yeah. It lines up with the low as well from Thursday, August 6th, where we got a huge bounce reaction off of. It's around 708.50. I'm trying to see if we get it moved down there so I can sweep it long.
Okay.
SoFi went over $19 this morning for the shares.
Sophie.
It took some off up there. Finally got the move that I wanted for the SHARs. Not a bad place to look to sell some covered calls on it. I'm actually going to go ahead and pull that up now for SoFi.
Okay, we go and reject 372. I'll enter a short.
Here's 60 points. No trims yet. 70. I'm looking for sell side 240.25 to take it all out.
Nuts, what did you have on SPX? Like 65, I think, or something like that?
For what?
I'm trying to pull up Baltic right now. I don't have.
You said
Monitor
SPX?
connected on SPX. What do you have? Like next support area. 60.
It's 75, 60, and 650.
75, 60. Okay.
No, sorry. 76, 75, 76, 60, and 76, 50. Yeah. Those would be the next three down.
Like SoFi, $20 calls for next week. Also the 22s for September.
Honestly, I wish the S&P would just finish this move back to like 76.30, 76.20. Back test the breakout.
Exited SNDQ for a small loss here. It's not moving down with the market moving down.
I partial then movers down. Still looking for overall sell side at 240.25. I don't really want a partial, but
I'm looking for an entry to a short. If we can get one.
yeah, I'd still we swept that 920 low, but really still like to see us move lower.
Some of these AI names, like Taiwan Semi, ASML, strong in a down two.
I removed my risk completely on the rest here. So see if I just get fucking ripped on here and stopped out.
Freaking trading view. What are you doing?
I'd like this order block to hold, so that last 1 minute green candle at 949, that whole range, I'd like the midpoint of that to hold to the downside. Or else I'm probably cooked on the rest of this one. Not the best execution on the partial, but whatever.
Well, stopped out.
Yeah, break even on the rest for me there. I'm out.
Kitty
We
cat stock
see
doing
price
okay.
maintain over previous day low, 375.
short with them in the queue.
We just bounced hard off of May's NFP on QQQ.
I'm not digging this action today, guys.
I'm in
This
Yeah,
is nasty,
today's
choppy,
action.
really choppy.
I took nice trades pre-market, shorted a few times, and since we've opened, it's the ATR is too wide for my stop loss.
SPX kind of wants to go. Yeah, it wants 7,700 again. You see that thing growing nuts?
Mm-hmm.
76.95 too, just growing like crazy.
Yeah.
7,700 is growing. That's 140 growth. Holes up there. Good morning, nice trade.
Thank you.
Do you have your fraternity on the side of your head?
I'm sorry?
Do you have a fraternity on the side of your head?
And not an actual one. It was just a community I started on X. You know, Quan Frat.
$10 call just went in the money from the kitty cat stock, the high of day.
Yeah, Minxie, I had to go so light to not get stopped right then.
Yeah.
I thought Joe was pledging.
Let's see, what's the ATR right now for the 1 minute? It's like almost 39 almost.
Wow. Ronnie, they are hammering those December 15th, 2028 360 calls.
I'm taking one more off right here in my stop.
On app?
360.
Yeah.
Holy SpaceX.
Yeah, I know. It is dying.
Death from above.
Oh, and it broke 135. This thing is toast.
Killer, dude.
Toast.
Yes, at 7,700. I think we could bounce it. And there's my stop and profit.
I'm looking for a put spread very soon.
I'm not going to name names, but I am going to talk a little shit. With SpaceX, we literally talked about the Genesis line not once but twice for the short. And there's someone out there who created their own tool with Gamma. And when it went to 150, they told me that 150 was going to send it above and beyond for swing calls. And if you know how to read Gamma and where it was at that day, when it was at 150, it was a ceiling of Gamma for price action to stall or reverse that, not accelerate to go through. And that dude ran the fuck over. So just be careful on who you follow and listen to, because there's people that use tools or create them and don't even really know how to use them properly.
I personally would love to swing calls on SpaceX once it closes above 150. I don't just
Yes.
get up to it.
100%.
Close and back check it.
Yeah.
That's the only way.
100%. 100%.
And we knew that 150 was support, was going to be resistance, and then when it came up into it, we just knew
Yep.
it
It
wasn't
was
going to
clear.
get that.
We went over that on stream one day. I mean,
Yeah.
literally clear as day. I mean, the simplest textbook support resistance flip that you've ever
Dude,
seen.
we shorted the high on Wednesday, August 12th. We called it out live on the YouTube stream and went over what we learned at the Wolf Summit for the Genesis line. We took puts. It went all the way down to 135, 136. It went back to 150 again at the Genesis line on Monday, August 17th. I took the same puts again, the 120, 118. And we are back to 134 again. Like, you do that over and over again until it stops working. Eventually, it will stop working. And
Eventually.
And until SpaceX breaks and bases over 150, I am shorting it every single time
Me too.
until I'm proven wrong.
Me too.
That's just how it works. You rinse and repeat the same thing until it stops working. I've already done it twice. It gets there a third time. If I lose, okay, 2 out of 3. If I win, then I'm 3 for 3. Then we'll try it for a 4th time. Eventually, I'm going to get my shit rocked. But until then, I'm going to keep banking.
SpaceX is probably going to be. It's probably going to be a good long in 2028.
Did you get a co-host invite, Ryan?
Negative Ghost Rider.
Dude, this shit.
Yeah, it wasn't working for me, Jordan. I never got the
know,
one you sent
so
me.
dumb. Good old X. No matter how many times I send it, it's just like.
I'll tell you this, it is cold in Mexico City.
Oh yeah. What chilly about?
56
chilly
degrees.
out there.
Why am I getting an alert that Oscar just made a new 52-week high?
Damn right. Damn right you did.
Is it really?
Damn right you did.
Oscar the Grouch.
I see. Man, that stock, like, I don't know who would be invested in that stock, man.
Hey, you know what? I'm getting my friends are texting me right now. Yep. My friend just said Oscar. Another one just said Oscar.
Dude, go to the monthly. Go to the monthly on Oscar.
We'll
Tell
see.
me that's not a perfect cup and handle breakout.
We'll see you at 40.
Look at that. Look at that cup and handle breakout on the monthly.
Gold looks really good. You broke through the 200-day on the futures. You back tested it perfectly and got bought up off of 45, almost 4,500 even, but just above that's the 200-day.
Silver looks even more ready to pop.
Yeah, I was about to
silver
say
looks
that.
even stronger. Silver looks like it's going to the 200-day. Sorry, Ronnie.
No, you're good. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier. So silver 64, it just broke out into a 1-month high. It broke out a pre-market low, pre-market high, and now it's retesting pre-market high. It's a pretty good risk reward now if you're not in it.
I should have pre-shorted 380s. The future side looks like we're going to 71.
Today's just not my day.
It's okay, Macy.
I know. And when it's going down, it's just frustrating. You get wicked out and then it goes. That's okay.
Thinks we see that pre-market low, the 230s on NQ.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at too.
I think I'm not gonna have a re-entry unless we can like break below 330s, which is where I've been taking profit on that first trade, and then test that from below and then go down to pre-market lows. But if we just chop down here and knife down, no entry.
Just bought small silver. Expiration tomorrow. $61 calls, 59 cents.
Yeah, I'll add to that. I got the October 16th 60 calls for SLB.
SpaceX is.
Just want to state your boys got the I posted it up in the nest. Your boys got the top portfolio on autopilot over the last 3 months.
Let's go.
Let's go nuts. Gosh dang, your shorts must be hanging low at the size of the balls on there, dude.
What'd you do? Short Nebius? Long?
No, it's all.
Short
Hey,
Nebius, long
that-
Moderna.
That Nebius short was freaking gnarly yesterday.
It's Oscar, Zeta.
250 on what was that, Tuesday? I was in that short.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nasty. Sold a little early, but it's all good.
We got no flow helping us today. I mean, it is dead. Moderna 120 puts alerting now. I mean, but this 12 alerts here, half hour plus in is nothing.
Moderna.
Did you guys know if you would have put $1,000 in Moderna? I'm just kidding.
Dude, I saw so many of those posts.
So many.
It's great how so many people can just take that information and tell people like, man, if you just would have put $1,000 into it, you would have woke up the next day with, 7 figures.
Well, no shit, Sherlock.
They make it seem like
It happens every day.
It's like it's stuff that's actually possible to ever happen in your lifetime. That's literally like
I gotta text
it's like,
somebody like, yo, is this true? I gotta start trading options. Like, oh my god.
it's like after the lottery's called, and then the next day, like, hey, if you had just put these numbers on your ticket, you would have won 800 million.
That's
you know,
what
it's
I'm
like fucking dumb,
Dude, that's the thing, and I say it all the time because there's people on social media and traders that do that. I'm like, they only say and post these things after the fact, but they had no position or thesis prior to it happening. Everyone's a genius after the price action moves, and they see the move happen later on.
Oh yeah,
But
they were sharing the bears yesterday.
That's called a FinTwit cheerleader. 100% FinTwit cheerleader. No position, no nothing, no skin in the game. Just as soon as something happens, like, oh yeah, guys, like Zeta is a great investment. I've been pounding the table on this since last year. Like, who?
Are you?
I didn't just work for Baptist, and I feel silly, but it's okay.
Did you say John the Baptist?
Yes, he did.
John the Baptist.
I went St. John the Baptist on the land.
I come back here and you guys are trying to bring me back to ECD when I was a kid and remember this. I thought we're trading. Jeez. Intel 91 calls for tomorrow alerting. Crypto, Bitcoin's trying to push up a little bit.
Bitcoin's at the top of the box. I just looked at it. 71 to 72 is top of this box.
This is probably some of the worst action we've seen now. This is just really nasty.
It is gross.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I didn't want to take a couple days away, but it's my fault.
Yeah.
Yesterday was a huge day for me, so it happens, right?
Same.
Days.
Yeah, yesterday was good. In New York session, I just added on to my profits from Asia as well, so it was a pretty big day as well.
Silver's been holding that pre-market high retest. Could get a big pop here soon.
I opened the put credit spreads. I'm waiting to see if I add more. And we're holding the
on those 1 DTEs in silver. I don't want the whole thing. Oh, Nick, what were the options on app that they're pounding?
360 for December 2028.
Bet.
Here we go. Buyers putting up a fight, but I'm not gonna celebrate until we're over VWAP or 20 EMA on NQ. Sellers are sitting right there at 420 and 450.
Day trade the SPX 76.95 to 7.5.
on my Vanquish. I don't look for much. I'll just call out when I flatten. And I'm flattening.
There she goes.
Gold,
Silver.
3-minute bounce again. Let's see, 551.
Bang.
That was like
New
40
day high
cents.
silver. 25% up on those calls.
Let's go, Ronnie.
Bang, bang.
Projected to 61. See if we can push. Got some good volume. Silver.
Oh my goodness, 380s. It's just a wall. 380s and 400s.
Memory names are perking up. Chips are perking up. I like SMH as long as 560 can hold. Good level to trade against.
Trend to fourth of the silver calls for 27%. Let's go. Freaking stop loss set.
Nice. Like with this movement right now, I'm not convinced we go take the pre-market lows, but I'm also not convinced we break out. I think we just chop.
Yeah, I'm grossed out with this so far. I need to see something spicy. Because if we're just ranging like this.
I would almost rather push and fill the gap and then reject. Most of the positioning is lower. If it wants to go lower first, then you still have the gap filled draw above you.
That's initially that's kind of what I was
react
looking
either
for.
way. Either
That's why
way
I got
out of
short
this area.
initially. I was looking for that move to go sweep the sell side we made in pre-market, but just didn't want to go fast for me, so I got that break-even stop. Fine though. That means no risk was taken. Sure.
The negative gamma is spread across expirations. It's not just all 0 DTE.
Back into the suspension block. A lot of people are probably saying, but Jordan, like, we swept that bigger time frame low. I'm like, yeah, we did. But it was by ticks, like not even a full point. I don't like those shallow sweeps so much. A lot of the time you're going to see a revisit to that because when you look at an hourly or a 4-hour chart, like you just zoom out, it's too smooth for my liking. Too smooth of a low that was left. So even though we technically, swept that, I'd still like to see a revisit of that area. Get a deeper sweep in there, actually fill real orders below that area. I've not taken any re-entry yet though. Still, I'm happy to if it wants to offer me something, but haven't seen anything yet.
Yeah, rejecting the 400s.
Damn, Robin Hood gave that all back.
Rejection.
Yeah.
SPX is reaching.
Amazon new lows. Tesla new lows. Google new lows. Apple gave it back and is back to flat. NVIDIA is also back to flat, so now you have no strong hikes at the name. Someone bought $3.7 million with SPY puts. 756 for 918.
And we rejected 407 twice.
Someone bought like millions of dollars worth of calls on VIX. Forgot how much though.
That's a couple of days ago, right?
Yeah,
Somebody sent me a message yesterday about it.
Yeah.
It was the $24 calls for VIX.
Yeah.
You know, Google could be a cute short here under 340 if the market stays weak. Goes down to the 200-day, fills that gap.
Yeah.
How cute is she though? What are we talking?
Yeah, you're talking like $10.
Oh, is she a 10?
She 10. Wait, this market's trading? I don't think anything's a 10. How about old 2? SPY lows. IWM is puking.
Yeah,
2
300 got smoked.
Yeah, I just got nothing. I lost like $80 on the SanDisk when I sat out there, which was fine, and I got nothing here. I can't find anything I want.
I'm thinking about selling an iron condor on SPX.
I should have looked at SanDisk chart before I took the ETN. It's right on the 8-day. It was holding. I'm like, that was stupid.
We're in like a little like 100 point range right here between like 400s and 310s.
Your put premiums on SPX are a lot more expensive than your calls. Like I could sell 7600s right now.
I turned the squawker on 30 minutes ago and I hadn't heard a single headline.
She quiet. Yes, it's got a little more direction this morning, looks like. Still slow.
It's gross though, bro. Tab 76, 75 has still been there. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee, I'll be right back.
Okay.
I kind of want to sell some 7600s.
Still want to see those lows if we can.
Yeah, QQQ looking below yesterday's lows, below my 714 level, also below the 8 and 21. So yeah, not the best time to be getting positions for swing lows.
I like the way.
Oil looks like a short and a half from the zone.
The market's in a battle with the 10-year yield, and I don't think enough people are looking at it. That's the bigger picture. Nothing works with yields this high. So,
Well said.
It's crazy.
Look at this 5-minute candle on Qs.
Let's go, squeeze them.
Yeah, it's.
Oh my god.
I was just
Right
saying
off the
same
NFP
thing.
again.
It's not going anywhere.
Oil dropped.
It's just
7-Eleven.
Let's chase it.
Sorry.
No, go ahead. Let's chase it. Come on.
Yeah, 714 on QQQ is an NFP. I just held it twice this morning.
That's the top of my zone is right here, and the bottom of the zone goes to the daily 50. I'm just waiting for us to hit the bottom of it so I can try along.
From pre-market low to orb high, we got a golden zone, 61.8 fib is 327. It's a line in the sand. You also got orb low for SPY. Gold, new highs here. We're cranking. 6-point gains, hold half.
All I have to do is get a cup of coffee and there's a bit of a move.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your sacrifice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joe.
Maybe you are the problem. How about that?
Expensive cup of coffee.
Minxie throwing shots. Minxie throwing shots.
What even was the news on, right stuff?
They said.
I don't think any new. I think
Yeah, I
it's
don't
orb
think-
low sweet.
They said you walked away. The market
okay,
makers
cool.
are in the. I know that they're in the audience. I know.
They're in my laptop. They're in my house. They're in my head.
They're chasing our stops, guys.
I didn't want to tell you this, but that's secretly what I do. I just listen to everybody and I take the opposite side of the trade and then take all the float and use it against you.
I feel like I'm generally opposite of everybody most of the time. Oh.
God, I want to take a spread, but
I almost said something, but I'll keep it.
say it.
No.
Say
You
it.
can't do that. Come on now.
I'm not trading anymore. I got humbled today.
This price action
Both.
is ass.
Spread.
I'm looking. I just don't know what I want to take.
I sold 703 puts and bought 699 puts. QQQ.
On Qs?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. 703s.
We're gonna break 400s?
I think so.
I'm trying to do these 7620s and 7600s on SPX.
Oh my gosh. Oh, goofball I am. ES bounced right off of Delta Flip.
20 EMA test here. Let's go. Dude, I took some crazy lottos. 770 calls right at that 61.8 fib. 12 cents at 75% now. Let's go. Gold, really nice push up to London Orb, 551. Over London Orb, I have 557.9 pivot, and previous day high, 569.6.
Am I getting filled right now? I'm not taking a fill less than what I want, so. Just waiting to hear the chime. Order filled.
Fuel cells catching a headline of CEO.
I just took that off my watch list, man. Seriously, because I'm so frustrated with it.
It's gone nowhere for a while.
Bonds are catching a small bid. Intel has 3 call alerts on it. They got the weekly
Oil's
91s and Monday's 90s.
oil's backing off, Mike, which is gonna help yields.
my gosh, I have a limit order to enter long at 380 and a quarter. On the low of the candle is 380 and 3/4. I'm not moving it though. There we go. I'm long a little bit of MNQ here at 380 back test. It's risky, but smaller size than the trades I was taking before. Full take profit is going to be looking for 470. I mean 450. Sorry.
Full exit of silver. Calls for tomorrow. Just can't break through the 61, so I'm just gonna take this 12% and pop out.
I'm risking 30 points on this. I might come tag my stop.
Okay, we are back. We are back. Netflix coming down. NQ ripping higher. And we are making some money. Our put spreads are doing really nice here. Looking nice and clean. It's always good to see. Okay. Let's just sit and watch. I mean, there's nothing to do on this.
Well, just grab on and ride it.
Oh, you piece of shit.
We just broke 6150 on silver, 2.5%.
Slap this thing to Ivy low. Take it to 240s already.
No, let it fill this order first. Oh my god.
Or are you trying to get order filled for
Dude,
Tim Alon's?
it just hit 60% again and it won't fill, and now it's back down to 50%. I'm about to replace the order. Because we just hit the same resistance again, and I have a feeling that Q's looks like it wants to sell lower. Look at, there goes Q's.
RKLB mission success on the 93rd Electron rocket. Pretty cool.
Let the phone die.
We keep on talking about Genesis lines on here, and SpaceX is a big one. Two other ones, XE and Cerebrus. Cerebrus' Genesis line is at 230. It's sitting at 200. The IPO price was way too high. This is more fair, but it makes the stock harder to trade now.
Tested that little 1 minute order block, rejecting. See if we can run through this last gaps at inverse here, 356.
Previous AI right here. Broken. Bang. That's 30 points. Gold.
Let's flip it and go, Nips.
Let's get it, Maple.
Thank you, gents. Thank you, though. Probably gonna fail, man. This is low
There's a small
volume
headline
exhaustion.
on this right now with the Air Force.
On boss.
Silver is flying.
Yeah, good move there.
Really.
Gold. Oh my God. Yesterday's highs.
Run through this. Here we go.
Maple's buying another RV.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm ready to go back on another trip already.
Can I interest you in south of the border?
Dude, they're gonna get a free van.
They're gonna get a free van.
I'm gonna be walking, bro.
Oh, you're good. I got you.
Yeah, Ample, tell him not. That's my guy. You leave him alone.
All right, boys and girls, y'all treat safe. My kids are up. We're gonna go do
Sounds
some,
good, brother. Yeah, we're
fun
seeing if
stuff
we check out this Ivy Low.
Have a great day.
from this.
So yeah.
Yo, have a good day, brother.
Ciao, ciao.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be doing much the rest of the day either. Just holding silver. Posted my positions up top. Gonna take the dog for a walk and might hop on later today with you guys.
Sounds good, man.
Yo, take it easy, boy. Nice trades, brother.
Take it easy, bro.
See ya.
New hour coming in right here.
Silver's just straight up like floating to the 62, like with ease. It's insane.
He's a floater. Oh boy, this is a garbage bag.
If it doesn't fill the order now, it's SPY's back entering into this zone. I'm back up 60%.
Back at 7-Elevens. Or, yeah, 7-Elevens. Let's see what it does here.
Oh.
Because if we can break the view up here, which lines up at the bottom of this zone, you got...
Filled.
There it is.
You got it? There you go.
God, finally. All right, I'm out half of SPX here at 60%.
You have VWAP and composite TPO POC at 23s, 77 23s on ES. If you get to there, even if we reject it, that makes me think we failed the auction and could see upside later this week. Well, it's already
Stop at entry now on the rest of SPX. Oh, yes. Oh, shit. Oh, my God, bro. Oh, my God, bro. New high. Oh, my God, Casey. Holy shit. Look at gold, too.
Yeah.
And that is the day right
Silver
there.
62.
Oh. Boom.
Bang, bang.
Let's go, baby.
weapons, bro.
All right, 55-point gain. MNQ, I'm going to sell a quarter there. I was so scared. I'm not even going to lie.
Oh, yes. Look at this candle on SPY. Oh, there we go.
Flipping weapon.
All right, SPY just hit the previous day low. Q's back at the equal high at the daily 21. There we go.
Yeah, the chat's mad active today. Maybe they're messaging in there. Love to see it. Let's go.
Those silver calls I called out Monday up 60% now.
My LT port is grooving today. Shout out Tempest AI.
Dude, I kind of want to short right here for a little scalp, but I'm scared because that was a crazy candle with some volume. Look at IWM. Look at the candle on RTY on a 5-minute.
Your
straight stick.
Your all expiration gamma flip on ES is 77.22s and it's moving higher.
I was VWAP on NQ.
Robot Jordy. Oh.
Options market just updated for silver, now showing $64 volt for Monday. Oh, we're popping, baby. Hit that 200 DMA. Cooking. Send it, SPY. Yes. Yes. All right, 80% here. Crypto starting to catch a bit again, starting to pop. Bitcoin 4%.
That's something I need to get from the store today.
So if you look at how a lot of these sectors that have been beaten down have been playing out, like financials and cyber and software and healthcare, all beaten down to a pulp. And then when they start running, they like absolutely like just fly in a couple months. I think you can see the same thing in crypto. It's really like the last thing to run has been just beaten to a pulp. It's my 2 cents. I just hit like 60 points on MNQ in like 20 seconds.
Because he's a goat.
Did you short that?
I did. I chased it a little bit because it hit VWAP. And then when it broke back underneath like 433, I just hit market short like 6 contracts on MNQ at 430. And I just covered just underneath the 21 when it got back to like 70. Let me see how long the trade was.
checking. CROX. Let me see. What's up with the 10/16s? What's wrong with that? That's weird. Gotta figure out what's wrong there. But yeah. Yeah, let's see how that holds. I'm actually watching it right now. That's an interesting one to watch for sure. Okay. Okay, I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to go do some things that I got to do. I will catch all of you later. Hope everyone has a great day. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later.